Hi, in today's video we'll be going over how to install Userful to a DVD. To begin, you want to go to userful.com and then you want to select the Downloads tab. From there, you're going to want to make sure that you fill out the relevant information and then click Submit when you can. And then you'll have to wait a little bit, but you will get the ISO file. Following that, please download it to the desktop or anything else like that. And then you're going to want to right click it, select Burn Disk Image. Make sure that the disk burner is choosing the correct DVD. In this case, we're doing DVD drive D. Once again, select the burn image and then select the DVD and then click Burn. This takes a while, so please be patient. We recommend you do something constructive in the meantime. Once the DVD has burned, please select Close, and then you can verify that it burned by just clicking on the DVD, which will load up soon here, and then you want to make sure that there's stuff on the DVD itself. So as you can see here, we've got everything on here, so it burned successfully. So that concludes today's video. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.